Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video. Taking a look at one of our articles here. There's more cryptocurrencies than Bitcoin, 5 other digital coins to consider, and then also Bitcoin's price. We're going to take a look at the charts, sitting at about $56,700. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the video and cue that intro. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the crypto markets continue to rally through 2021. And then also don't forget we have our private trading group page. You can join us through Patreon. We use Patreon as a payment processor. Everything that we post for our private trading group members is located on Discord. So make sure you have a Discord username to join us inside of our private trading group. All right, so looking at this article here, it looks like there's more coins than just Bitcoin and Dogecoin. What? Okay, if you've ever been learning about digital currencies, now is the time to get split up because the cryptocurrency bubble keeps getting bigger. Bitcoin is almost a household name now, and it's been around for more than 10 years. The cryptocurrency was created in 2009 via a white paper written under the pseudo-anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. It is an open source and decentralized. There are no transaction fees associated with there definitely are transaction fees, but okay. But there's also no government guarantee behind the currency. You can't hold Bitcoin in your hand, but the currency can add value to your bank account. Okay, interesting. So it looks like there's obviously they're going over Ethereum. And Ethereum we've seen rally here the past couple of days to its new all-time high. Let's see where Ethereum's at right now. It's sitting at about almost right underneath $3,000. So Ethereum's still holding very nice support here. And then also we've seen Dogecoin continue to rally too as well. So Doge, possibly maybe wanting to go to $1. I mean, that's a possibility too as well. And then XRP, obviously XRP has been under a settlement with the SEC, and now we're just waiting to hear if they're actually going to settle on it, and probably continue to rally with the price once that happens. So taking a look at maybe some of these altcoins here in a second, and then we have Polkadot here. We'll just read briefly about Polkadot, which is created by Gavin Wood, who is the founder of Ethereum, and it allows arbitrary data to be transferred across blockchains. Polkadot is a multi-chain interchange and translation architecture, which allows customized side chains to connect with public blockchains. This makes it possible to build applications that get permissioned data from a private blockchain and use it on a public blockchain, according to the company. An example of this kind of transaction is data from private records being sent to public chain to verify credentials and status. That means personal data can be shared publicly while still preserving privacy. Another distinction is that Polkadot doesn't use proof of stake or proof of work. Instead, platform gets blockchains pool their security, which means the blockchain security is aggregated and applied to all. Polkadot's relay chain is built on substate. It devices blockchains are parachains and parathreads. The Polkadot relay chain connects these chains to each other in the external networks via bridges. The cryptocurrency runtime environment is built on Rust and C++. Okay, so yeah, that's getting a little technical in there with Polkadot, but we're gonna be trying to look for the massive gains, folks, and I think Polkadot right now is still very undervalued as well. I think we saw it run all the way up to about $45 or so, and now sitting somewhere in the $30 area. So these are just some of the altcoins that you may want to take a look at here, but let's go ahead and jump on over into the charts. I don't want to hang around too much on our video today, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on over there. All right, as normally we start on our daily chart here, folks, and as you can see, we've drawn a resistance or a support line for ourselves here on the daily chart, and Bitcoin right now hovering at about the $56,700 area. So we're starting to see, a little bit of sideways action from its nice little peak up at about 57, right underneath the $58,000 area. It looks like it did wick all the way up to about $58,000 or so. And now we're starting to see a little bit of sideways movement. Our momentum waves on market Cipher on the daily chart are still heading to the upside here, and still finding nice support above our zero pivot point. Now pushing through our zero pivot point, we're starting to see VWAP still move off to the side. Well, let's see if this momentum wave can still kind of recover here. I am expecting just kind of an elongated rally here. It kind of looks like that on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the 3-day chart, see what we're seeing here. 3-day chart has given us a green dot here on market Cipher as well. So this is definitely a nice zero pivot support momentum wave that triggered for us here. and now we're going to probably start seeing price bounce from here off of the 0 pivot point. What I'd be curious about is to get our buy signals back on our 2-day and our 3-day chart with Market God. So if Market God can give us those buyback signals, that would be a relatively bullish move for us. So definitely waiting to see those pop up on the charts here. We'll keep you up to date each and every single video. And yeah, if you want to join us and stay up to date 24/7 when we're not making videos, then you can join us through our private trading group page, folks. So don't forget, if you want to pay with crypto also, you can message me on Discord and I'll get you all set up. So let's kind of zoom in here. Let's take a look at the 6-hour chart, see what's happening with the 6-hour chart. You know, we found some resistance above this or right below this green trend line here. We couldn't quite break up above it, but we did say in our past couple of videos throughout April that we were looking for a retest of $57,000, and lo and behold, we got that retest. Now we found a little bit of rejection. We're waiting to break through it. One thing to take note of here is a support line that has been helping us through our rally here is now being tested once again. So this support line could possibly want to break down below this. We'd probably see a little bit of a sell-off. Hopefully we'd find some support on our 21 EMA or our 100. As you can see, we're getting this nice bullish cross here on the 21 and the 100 EMA on the 6-hour chart. And then also, lo and behold, we have market Cipher on the 6-hour chart that's also in our red money flow, but we're starting to see the money flow move back to the upside. So low volume right now for the pump and the rally, but I think that once we start moving back into this greenish territory, I mean, our daily chart was showing volume and money flow kind of thinning out here. So we want to see our money flow start to move back to the upside to give us a substantial amount of buying volume to come back into this market. And let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Just glance over here. Money flow is still kind of moving to the upside. It's thinning out here just a tad bit on market Cipher on the 4-hour, and we want to see this start moving back into that greenish territory. So let's see if we can get that. It does look like we are retesting this support trend line once again on the 4-hour chart too as well. So let's see if we continue to bounce here, get a fake out rejection, and then possibly bounce back up above this resistance trend line that right at about $57,000 or so that's been holding us down. If we can get through this with a substantial amount of volume, we need to break through 57,000 with a substantial amount of volume to probably continue this rally up to $60,000. So we're waiting for that break. We're going to see if it's going to happen or not. I'm keeping a close eye on the charts to see what's going on here. Looking at the 2-hour chart too as well, it looks like we're steadily testing this trend line once again. So the support trend line could end up breaking, folks. If we do get this break, we're going to be looking for support on our 21 or 100 EMAs on some of our mid time frames. So let's take a look at the the daily here. You know, we want to try and maintain support above our 21 EMA on our daily chart, and that 21 EMA is sitting at about $55,000 or so. So if we do get a bearish break, we're looking for support about $55,000. Let's see if we can hold support. We've already gotten the buy on the daily chart, and this buy signal most of the time leads to a substantial rally ahead. So I do think that we're probably going to consolidate out to the side to see the volume come back in with the bulls here in the near-term future, but we'll just have to remain patient. Obviously, this is a great time to continue to dollar cost average into these markets, only because our hash ribbon signal has still given us a capitulation signal for us. But usually this during a bull market, when this capitulation does happen, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to have a big sell-off. It just means that this is probably a great time to dollar cost average. Obviously, nothing that I say on this channel is financial advice, but you know, I would say that once we get this buy signal again, we're going to see a very, very big rally when it comes to the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets too as well. So get ready, folks. I do think that we have one more big substantial rally in the works for us, and it's probably going to be a doozy. It's probably going to be one of the bigger rallies too, to really excite people. So I'm looking forward to this. We're continuing to dollar cost average. We're in consolidation with some of our altcoins, and if you want to get a list of those altcoins that we're in consolidation of as of right now, you can join us over on our private trading group page. So join us in the links in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, folks. And if you want to pick up some of our paid for indicators, such as the Market Cipher indicator package, there's a link in the description box below with a 5% off discount code there available for you. So shout out to CryptoFace and his crew for helping us support the channel here. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.